We live in a world where every action is scrutinized, where we look at ourselves less than others look at us, where we treat our distractions as truths. We live in a world where to follow is often deemed leadership, where action is prized above reflection, where reaction is valued above response. We live in a world of the here and now, of the reflex, of the knee-jerk, of the instantaneous. We live in the world of the moment, for the moment, moment by moment. And to meet this world head-on, we have to put the dominoes in motion. Leading for Deep Green is a leadership journey that began in 2005 in order to meet these challenges. It is a continuing journey on which the landmarks are the very things that make us what we are. It is a journey based on the culture we live in as much as the culture we are creating and the values that underpin everything we do. Nedbank, where we all work together, is a great gathering place of individuals, of diverse people who all do the same thing differently, people who make things happen. At Nedbank, we value thriving in an environment that is never static, never self-satisfied, never stale. We value being part of the future, not representing the past. What we do at Nedbank, we do for all kinds of people. People from every kind of background and level of wealth, from small entrepreneurs to giant companies, from the young, beginning on the paths of their lives, to those who are older and who have already traveled a good distance on that path with us. This is the Nedbank way. And to make the Nedbank way work best, we're going to be taking a few days to look at things differently, to feel change in the familiar, to make space for emptiness, to hear thoughts in silence, to mold ideas from actions and actions from ideas, to engage, to listen, to speak with openness. Here, we will discern the individual in the team and the team in the individual. Here, we will find out how it's possible to change our world by slowing down, by reflecting and thinking together. What we are here for over the next few days is to master the tools to do this, to master how to take up those tools and to truly do the job. We're here, in other words, to harness our ability to lead. We're here to tip the first dominoes, to start the wave of change, to see a new pattern emerge. These few days will suggest ways to make the most of the way you lead, to give you fresh insights in what it is to lead, and to understand how you personally lead best. They will give you ways to grasp the change that you yourself will be helping to bring about, to live with more energy, with greater insight about your own role in your work or your home life, to learn and use techniques and tools that will benefit you throughout your life. Nedbank is investing in each one of you because to live our values, we need to grow as an organization. But to do that, we first need to grow and change as individuals. So change for each of us means change for all of us. Organizations don't change. It's the people who make them up that do. And that's why you're here on this Leading for Deep Green journey. It's because you're a person who can realize dreams, because you're a person who can actualize what you are, because you can personify change, because you can embrace responsibility and reflect on improvement. You're here because it's you who will keep our journey going as you play your part in the bigger picture that will crystallize as each domino falls in its place. You're here because you're a Nedbank leader and because great things begin with great people.